Sick of the sweat? Sick of the arm pain? Sick of the long, boring, exhausting hookups? Sick of spinning your arm looking crazy outside next to your van? Well, we've got the answer. Bos Hardware Jockey Wheels. With your new Crusader, we have the perfect solution. Consider Bos. Enjoy the video.
Hey guys, Michael Valentino from Crusader Caravans in Campbellfield, Victoria. Today we've had one of our new items arrive for retrofitment on any new Crusader or your previously owned Crusaders, of course, down at our service centre at A-grade caravan repairs whenever you need that done. We're talking today, of course, about the Bos Jockey Wheel. The Bos Jockey Wheel is sort of an aftermarket jockey wheel approach, going away from this sort of electric up and down jockey wheels, the standard sort of jockey wheels, the rotative jockey wheels. We just find that caravans are getting a little bit heavier, ball weights are getting a bit more tedious. If the kids are running around or hook up on a caravan's a bit hard, or it's absolutely miserable like today in Melbourne and it's raining and you need to get out of there quick, these really make a lot of difference. They're substantially stronger, and it is, of course, this gentleman right here. So it comes with a hardcover lid, of course. This is a Bos Jockey Wheel. So the Bos Jockey Wheel is a jockey wheel that allows for very large height extensions, but I believe they're rated up to about 1,600 kilo, if I'm not mistaken. The Bos Jockey Wheels are available at the dealership for as a retrofit. So when your van comes through, we just pop this on, leave the jockey wheel inside the tunnel boot for you. Bos Jockey Wheel comes with a few different bits and pieces from the team at Crusader Melbourne. One of which, of course, is a manual crank handle. Sort of defeats the purpose, I suppose, when you've gone to all this extent to buy this thing and then you still use it manually. So in the bin, but comes with it. It comes with a height extension. So what this does is it actually goes between this base here and the standard fitment point, and this guy here, and the main plate up here. And what that does is it's actually going to give it a massive height clearance. So you see the old bloke with a 200 series Land Cruiser, the van's like this with like 7 blocks of timber underneath it. The whole van's doing that. That's gonna alleviate that. It makes it a lot safer. You can buy a wheel, but the reality is, if you're not working at the dealership here or through the manufacturing facility, sort of no real reason to have a wheel in your caravan. You can't push it. They're like 3 ton, it's not moving. So we just use a base plate, stock standard in our pricing. Of course, we have a bag for just a bit of outdoor cover. And then of course your circlip, just like so, on the leg extension. So there's a bit of instructions here. This is my favorite piece. Now, this is why you should be paying the money. This guy here is a drill attachment. It just pops into any drill. Notice I said driller, not impact driver. It's a specialized Bos hardware kit. You can actually buy tamper-proof nuts and stuff for these. We just sell them as a main kit with a large extension, so that way any van, whether it be a van with airbags, off-road, semi-off-road, whatever it may be, is gonna work. Now, this goes in like here. Keep it nice and straight, and ideally, when the drill's not dying on me, it's going to be substantially easier and a lot less pressure for it. So these drills here, realistically, most caravanners are carrying these drills anyway for their 19mm sockets on their drop-down legs, or their Bos hardware, or changing a spare tyre, or any of those things. Of course, you're using a drill and not an impact gun. The Bos Jockey Wheel is currently now available at any of our service centres, and we just wind them down or wind them up. Bang, she's on the car. Now, people smarter than me, or not so smarter than me, will suggest using these things, taking the base plates off while you travel. You can extend this up, and you don't have to remove it. Unfortunately, with my Crusader emblem on here, I'm going to tell you to take your jockey wheel off. But you, my friend, are judge and jury to your own destiny, and you can choose to do whatever you like with this. Bos, however, have some great videos explaining what you can and can't do with their product, but I'm telling you I like to take it off. Awesome, awesome, awesome system. We had a guy through the other day, it just went, yeah, done, straight away. He's over the pump, he's over the thing. He's over the trail mates after the bearings give out and stuff. Consider Bos on your new Crusader. We hope you've enjoyed this product tutorial video, and we'll see you on the other side, guys. Like and subscribe.